Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Dollar General app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. You keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here can you search for Dollar General app, or just add it here on search, add here Dollar General. You click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, then you come to storage list, you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click on your Play Store and you search here for Dollar General. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.